Alright, we just did a conversion of this Catrike Trail. You see the BBSHD 1000W motor system on there. It's looking pretty tough. This Catrike has a pretty cool bar for getting on and off. It's a folder, and the battery's located so that it doesn't interfere with the folding. It's a cool TerraCycle battery mount. You can see the machine bits in here. It's locally made in Portland. Got an integrated tail light working off the main battery. It's kind of cool. And then, you know, whenever you do a conversion on a trike, you probably want to make sure and leave some slack with the cables for if you let somebody ride it that's taller than you, so the boom can come in and out. So that's a little key right there. And locating the display and throttle and stuff is always an issue on these guys because there's not a lot of real estate on handlebars. So we got this another TerraCycle T-mount to put the throttle. See, there's the throttle and the control and the display all mounted on top of the handlebar, where it's real convenient to work with. And that's it. Catrike Trail.